What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your main guy CBK back with another one. Another one. You know how I go. Alright, listen. I just want to say big shout out to Milan. Milan is one of the guys that's in the actual Discord group. He actually posted this in the investment part of the Discord group. And let me just say, for people that would like to get into the investment side, sometimes because there's different channels on my Discord group, right? The investment side are for people that are seriously into investments, yeah. And the general is just for general asking questions. You know, I'll share things in the general also. But if you really want to be in the new opportunities that we find, right? Like myself, Milan, and everybody else that's active in that side of the actual Discord group, then you have to be active in the general. You start off being active in the general, then I'll say, you know what? Yeah, you've got your points. Coming over to the investment side, so then you start to see, you know, all the stuff that we're talking about in the investment groups and stuff like that. So there is a couple of sides of the actual inner circle Discord group. You've got the active investors, and you've just got people. I've got people in Discord in the general side that ain't just sitting on the wayside, and that's all good. If that's where you feel comfortable, then just sit there, man. You're going to get things trickling through to you also. There's always opportunities on my Discord group, you know what I mean? So let me just say this. Milan, again, thank you for dropping this one on the table. Yo, big shout out to you, sir. This is definitely something I enjoy. Now, let me just go to the actual website real quick, right? And just show you guys what this is about. MetaHero. Now the thing is, MetaHero is one of these things which is futuristic. It's using technology. It's for now. When you think about gaming, when you think about NFTs, when you think about just the things in which you can do with, you know, just taking a picture, and you can change things and just make it. You could put yourself in the Matrix. Imagine just having stuff just trickling behind you, and you're there just like Neo, just doing some crazy moves. But it's so easy. You can just do that at a touch of a button. I mean, this is the type of technology that I'm into. I like stuff like this. I'm all into VR. I'm all into, you know, these smart glasses that you can buy now. I just haven't ordered it yet because I'm still doing research to see which one I want. I mean, I do wear prescription glasses, right? And some of these smart glasses, you literally can change the prescription just by, you know, going somewhere like Specsavers or wherever you are and you get your eye tested, and they can actually program the prescription in your glass. And I don't know what they use. Maybe it's AI or some type of technology that actually adjusts the prescription to your eyes. Can you believe that? You see, this is what I'm all about, man. Technology, all right? So let me just say this. MetaHero is right down my street, yeah? Now, from an investment perspective, yes, I will, but it's not because I'm looking to make great gains. I think the gains has already been, or a lot of the gains has already been made. I'm not saying you can't maybe 10x, right? From here, there is possibilities, and it's down to whether they want to burn and they're going to burn. But we're going to find that out in a little bit, right? But when you look at from where they came from, they've only been out, or they got listed on CoinMarketCap. What is it? About let's call it 2 months. 2 months. Let's call it 2 months, right? Because what we on now? We on the 11th, and that's the 8th, right? Let's call it 2 months because it's the 25th of the 8th, so it's the last part of the actual month. Yeah, and now we're on the 2nd of 11th of the 11th November. So let's just call it 2 months and a bit, 2 months and a week. Give it, all right? Not a long time, yeah. But where they listed at 0.3 cents. Yeah, and today, my friend, well, the all-time high, let me just show you. The all-time high went to 17 cents, call it 18 cents. Yeah, and the all-time low was part of a cent. I ain't gonna work that out. Yeah, so what I'm saying is you know, the possibilities of you getting more out of it is good, right? I'm not saying that. It's at 10 cents now, but, well, it's at 13 cents, sorry, right? But, you know, we're talking about 10 billion. Yeah? So, you know, anything's possible, man. If they burn, let's say they burn half of that, then, yo, anything's possible. So I would still buy this because I believe in the technology. So this isn't a get rich, you know, buy this and you're going to 100x. No. Not from this. So let me just get that clear first, all right? Okay, let's move on to what they're actually doing, because this is astronomical. I'm going to try and keep this video short and sweet. Right, they're on the Binance Smart Chain, so you ain't got to worry about gas fees. You can completely wipe that out of your mind. Yeah, the symbol is hero. Everyone likes a superhero, right? This is what they're doing. 16K Ultra HD. It's probably going to move too fast for me, and that's the one that I want to talk about. Custom built smart contracts that are superior. Like, can't you slow the shit down? Like, just stop moving so fast, man. All right, I'll tell you what, let me go into this and just show you, just before I go there also, right? So Yahoo Finance been talking about them, Business Insider, Cointelegraph, Market Watch, BSC News, Crypto Daily, and Forbes. Yeah, Forbes seem to be getting into a lot of cryptocurrency talks these days. You know what I mean? Business Insider, yeah, you know, they've been around a long time. They don't only talk about cryptos, but the fact that they're in there as well is quite good. I mean, Market Watch and Cointelegraph, you know, Yahoo Finance, I suppose they're trying to get in there because, you know, their rating hasn't necessarily been as good as, you know, the likes of Google and everything else. So they want to try and get up in there. You know what I mean? But yeah, Crypto Daily, everyone knows Crypto Daily. They're on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, the two biggest places you can list any of your projects right now. There is something I wanted to talk about real quick, but here we go. 3D scanning like the world has never seen before. NFT technology for the future. Boom. Let me explain something to you. Guys, I'm building one of the projects that I'm actually building. It's, to be quite honest, this is now going to change the actual project that I'm actually going to build. It's still going to be an NFT project, but I was sort of looking, you know, because I was looking for people that can actually, you know, artists and different people that can do different things, yeah? The fact is, there are so many pictures and so many images, so many stuff that's actually out there that you can render and take with in 4K, yeah, and make it 3D, 4D, you know, build up size 3D scanning like the world has never seen. So there it is again. So you can actually just change things. So you can have a normal picture, you can change it into 3 or 4D, make it stand out, make it look so good that it will put a lot of these NFTs that we see around, not saying they're crap, but come on, man. I mean, some of those pictures, even my kid could draw that. Do you know what I mean? So what I'm saying is that there were so many opportunities that you can do with this technology right here, especially for those that's in NFTs or like NFTs or that want to create things with NFTs. So this is really good, and this is why I'm talking about this. All right, it might not be down everyone's street, but from an investment perspective, it's a long-term hold. For the technology, and you believe in the technology, I would say definitely invest for a long-term hold. All right, because you never know what they might do with the actual tokenomics. They might burn a lot, right? Plus, but the technology itself is I love this. So enough of that of me waffling on. I did play this video before, so let me just refresh this page, because let's just play the video and let's just see what these people are all about. Here we go. As a matter of fact, I am gonna go over to their YouTube channel. Why don't we? Here we go.
Imagine that this is you. Imagine that you could scan yourself into any game and be your own hero. Imagine being able to take any real-world object and perfectly copying it into the digital world. We've decided to make this vision a reality. MetaHero has partnered with Wolf Studio, the inventors of 16K 3D modeling technology used by the likes of CD Projekt, the makers of Cyberpunk 2077. From 3D NFTs to digital avatars, the possibilities are truly endless with the MetaHero 3D chambers, which will be placed in locations around the world. The deflationary hero token, coupled with next generation 3D technology, will set your imagination free. Welcome to the future.
Beautiful, beautiful. I love the video, I love the layout. But you know what? A key thing that they just said is it's a deflationary token. So that is like music to my ears. Now I understand why they created this vast amount of tokens, because it is a deflationary token. So that means that your token's going to go up in value every single day because it's deflationary. All right? So it is an investment, plus it's the investment of the actual technology. And you know, to me, it's a win-win. So, yo, I'm just saying, MetaHeroes, man. You know, I might be late on the game, but I'm here. Wrong one. I might be late on the game, but I'm here. All right? I would have liked to have got in down here, right? When it was actually like, you know, when it was actually down here, you know, somewhere even here. Yeah, 2 cents, right? 3 cents, 2 cents, yeah, or even 9 cents. But you know what? Today, it's up 13 cents, and the reality is, it really is on an upward trajectory. Don't look at this, yeah. Don't look at this. All of this is sideways. It was comfortable there. That just shows me confidence, right? Then it went up. Right? And then some of the people that was holding back down here said, you know what, I'm going to take this because this is the top, and they started selling. But it didn't really go past here, did it? So whatever this is, right, whatever, I can tell you what it is, 10 cents. To me, this shows that this is a strong support line, yeah? Went a little, you know, dipped a little bit, but it's still coming back up to that 10, well, today it's at 13 cents. So that just shows. That right there is a really strong support line. So you know that even if you buy now, if it goes down to 10 cents, it's likeliness is it's probably not going to go below 10 cents. Yeah? And it's looking to go, you know, even higher. And the fact is, it's only been listed 2 months. So even that, the time you got to take into consideration here. Right? I'll call it 3 months then. 7th for the 7th. Call it 3 months. Yeah, 3 months. Been listed. It's nothing. There's nothing. There were projects that's been going for a year. That's absolutely just gone to the moon. Yeah? From where, you know, it sort of had a flat line, then it had a big pump, and then a big dump like what you normally have, and then another long flat line, and then before you know it, all the way up to the moon. So let me tell you, because this is deflationary, because of the technology that they're going to be having, because I can see a lot of developers using this, I see all positive stuff for this. So I just want to say again, big shout out to Milan for that. Thank you for this share, bro. This is definitely one of the stuff that I'm going to be investing in right now. Plus using the technology. Yeah, the NFT marketplace is going to be big. It is already big, but it's only going to get bigger. Right? I've been your boy CBK. Check all the links in the description. Join the actual Discord group. We're growing nicely. We're all out here. Each one teach one, each one help one. You know, all in we win. When you got a team of people working together, just like Milan dropped this on my lap today. No, actually yesterday. Right? Here I am giving it to you now. Join the team, guys. We all work together to build a better future. Catch you next one. Peace, peace. I'm out.